Hello students. Today again we are going to discuss about the financial market. See, in the last class we have learned about the meaning of financial market. Now today, what are the different types of the financial market? So there are varieties of market are there. So let us see one by one what are the different types of the financial market. Number one, debt market. So debt means it is an instrument, for example government bond, securities, debentures and other corporate debentures or bonds which can be able to use for the purpose of trade. That is called as debt market. Then second one is equity market. Equity market means equity shares for the companies. Then the next one is money market. Money market which is used for short term financial purpose. For example, treasury bills, commercial paper, certificate and deposits. The next one is capital market. Capital market means it's a long term fund, for example shares and debentures. Then primary market. Primary market means you already known about the first time of security, the fresh issue of security which are traded here. So it is called as primary market. Most of the institutions are involved in the sale of securities. Then secondary market. Secondary market means it is a market for the securities that are already issued. So stock exchange is an institution which prevails in the security market. Then the next type of market is cash or spot market. So cash or spot market means the delivery of the financial instrument and the payment of cash will occur immediately. That means the settlement is completed, the settlement is immediate. The next one is forward market. So where the delivery of the assets and payments, the cash takes place at a determined time. That means predetermined time in future. The next one is exchange traded market, then over the counter market. So these are the different types of the financial market. Now next we are going to the classification of financial assets. There are two types of financial assets. One is marketable assets, another one is non-marketable assets. Marketable assets means shares from listed company, government securities and bonds. Non-marketable assets means which cannot be transferred easily. For example, bank deposit, fixed deposit, provident fund, pension fund, saving certificate. These are all examples for non-marketable assets. So first we have discussed about the types of the financial market. The next is the two types of the asset, marketable and non-marketable assets. Now next we are going to the new type called as what are the financial institutions which are place a better requirements of an industry. So first one is venture fund institution. Venture fund which is otherwise called as venture capital. Venture capital is a form of equity financing. For example, IFCI, IDBI and SIDBI. So these are all engaged in the field of venture fund institution. The next one is, you already heard about this, mutual fund. So mutual fund, the company invests the funds from the shareholders and gives the benefit of diversified investment at a portfolioable reasonable return. So the mutual fund are higher return, easy liquidity, safety and tax benefits to the investors. Then the third one is factoring. So factoring you already learned in the 11th standard level. There are some institutions which are worked for the purpose of factoring on behalf of that. So SBI plays an important role, as well as Can Bank also. They are rendering the factoring institution services. Then OTCEI, over the counter exchange of India. So this is also one among the institution. They are allowing the trade of securities across the electronic counters throughout the country. Then NSEI, National Stock Exchange of India. Then NCDS, National Clearance and Depository Services. Then National Security Depositories Limited. So these are all institutions which are played in the role of financial market. Now next we are going to commodity market. The foreign exchange market, which can be classified into commodity market. Commodity market, you know very well, there are different types of commodities which can able to do purchase or sale. The next one is hard commodities. Hard commodities means gold, iron, oil, rubber. These are all comes under hard commodities. Then soft commodities. Soft commodities means agricultural primary products are the examples. The next is derivative market. So what is a new meaning called as derivative market? Derivative market means the financial instrument which helps to control the financial risk. For example, the derivative market, the instruments of an asset can comes in many forms. Example, it may be a stock or a commodity or a bond or a currency or a mortgages. So that's all today's class, students. So again, one more time, I am just recapitalization of what and all we discussed today. So first one, the types of the financial market, starting from debt market. The next one is about the marketable assets. There are two types. The next one is there are different type of financial institutions which are engaged in the field for the purpose of capital market. Then what is a foreign exchange market, commodity market and derivative market. So once again the last class and this class you have to be go through this. Thank you, students.